2013 Renault Master. Fuel filter replacement. Fuel filter's in here. Obviously there should be a band across here. It's not here, but you'd undo the band. Unplug your connector. These two diesel lines. There's a bleed valve on the bottom. So get a container underneath. Undo your bleed valve. Let your diesel drain out. And then you can pop these off and pull this whole canister out. So we'll get it drained down, get these off, and then we'll come back. Right, so once you've got it out, obviously you've got your bolts around the top, T30s, so undo all your bolts so your top can come off. Obviously you'll have to prise between here and the metal work to pop the top off. Top comes off. Filters in here. Now obviously you've already got your bottom out because you've taken your drain plug out. You should have this in your kit. Never got to use this, but it should make life easier. Screw that into the bottom of where the drain plug has come out of. So screw that in there, and then that, if you whack on that, it should push the filter out the top. Give it a few taps. Should start to move the filter up and out. Give it a few more whacks and we'll get it out. It's difficult one-handed. We'll get it out and then we'll come back. Right, so as you can see, it stays on the bottom, pushes out. Just give it a few sharp bangs and it should slide out. Right, so the new filter looks slightly different, but essentially the same thing. Just clean your bowl out first. Slide it in, obviously as far down as it'll go. And you've got your lid, again you should have new O-ring in there, new O-ring for this as well. So put your O-ring around here, bit of lubrication, and then back on the top, we'll screw it down. We'll get that and then we'll put our bottom drain plug back in and we'll come back. Right, so put your bolts back in, get it back in the van, obviously plug your two tubes back in. The middle one is the one that feeds the pump, so I don't get them back to the front. So to bleed this, all you got to do is now go in the van, switch the ignition on, let the fuel pump prime. Obviously it might take 2 times to fill it up, but you should hear air bubbles going back to the tank. So I say do your fuel filter Renault Master 2.3.